Hello everyone, this is me Prakash Ghimire presenting our second sprint retrospective of our project. I am currently enrolled in Federation University and this is a task of my master's project ITECH 7415. Our project title is Student Information Chatbot, where I am working with my colleagues Dipendra, Sushma and Simran as a team. Our project has been started from 27th July 2020 and expected to end on 16th October 2020. Our client is academic and researcher Dr. Hafizul Islam, and we are working under the supervision of Dr. Mansur Raja. This is our sprint 2 details. The second sprint was started from 12th September and ended by 25th September. Here, me and my group completed the following sprints: ITECH model, fishbone diagram, 2B model, SWOT analysis, interface page, sign-up page, login page, and questionnaire. Each team member has spent 10 to 12 hours for sprint 2. The tasks were assigned to each team members equally and accordingly. This is our revised ITECH model. We have made some changes here and created a final diagram. This shows the workflow of current chatbot. Here, the chatbot responds to user messages in an appropriate way to continue the conversation, but it does not understand and remember all the details of the sentence. So we have to modify and come up with 2B model. This one is our fishbone diagram, which shows the cause and effect to track down the reasons for imperfections. We have identified the major problems and the causes of those problems. Here we have identified method, people, system and management as a main problem with their causes. We have also done SWOT analysis to find the strength, weakness, opportunities and threats. It is a strategic planning technique that helps in project planning. It gives a clear understanding about the external and internal factors impacting the chatbot. This is our 2B model for the chatbot. After analyzing the ITECH model, we identified some issues to be modified according to client's requirement. This has included the modeling of conversation in natural language processing and artificial intelligence. This will use the pattern matchers for user input, save the conversation history to get insight and decide the types of response. These are our designing for login and sign up pages, through which user can register in discussion board and log in with the help of user ID and password. Similarly, these are queries input interface. It shows how the response will display on the screen of smartphones or computers. We have also developed some questionnaire to collect the data from the students. It helps us to analyze the different perspective of users so as to customize our chatbot according to their preference. Survey response gives us a detailed data visualization which helps us to come up with some recommendations. Now, individual accomplishment. The first task allocated to me was gap analysis, where I analyzed the gap in the current chatbot. Me with Simran worked out in causes and effects and came up with fishbone diagram. SWOT analysis is another task allocated to me, where we came up with the strengths, weakness, opportunities and threats of our chatbot. On the designing part, I was responsible to design the login and sign up pages for the user registration and sign in. Some of the key points that I have figured out from this second sprint are: the project schedule is on track, project changes have been manageable, it's easy to understand everyone's responsibilities, the project environment is collaborative, the project team receives a lot of interaction, action plan shows how our work contributes to overall project, assignments are clearly defined. That's all for today. Thank you so much.